Steven,
Reposition.
reposition, Steven, by
Okay,
wolves.
oh no, I know exactly where to go. Inside wolves. Inside
Inside
wolves.
wolf camp.
They don't. No one will expect that, and they can't see you till you're.
Alright, dude. Inside wolf camp. You can
Pretty
stand
much.
right on top of me too, Steven. Because I don't body block.
Oh, that's cool. We're like inside each other. I'm inside you, Nick.
Dude, I'm inside you. They won't expect a wolf. They won't expect a wolf camp.
They're gonna come here to kill wolves. Instead, they're gonna find something else.
I'll ward that over there just in case. I should. Okay, good. I know it's not normal to sweep wolves, but just in case we don't act like retards.
I guess you never know. Just in case they were not just standing here on top of wolves.
Michael, don't let them know where we're at.
Why would I want to leave them?
Well, you had
What?
eyes on you.
It has to be a surprise.
These niggas think that we're doing Baron. Hmm.
We're gonna die here.
Michael, Oh! They thought it, dude.
And now they're like, wait, why are they doing Spanish?
Steven, are you ready? This is a little scary. Oh, dude, we'll get Jinx. We'll get the weak link.
No, just chill.
Steven.
Just let them back, just back. Oh.
What are you doing, bro, man?
They're back.
Wolves are up, dude. Just in time. We're
I
straight
guess
up
we can
through
end
it.
it. Should we just end it?
Yeah, dude, let's scumbag it. Let's go, dude. That was so.
Michael's gonna 1v5.
That was so stupid, dude.
How could you
We're ending it. We've won.
Alright, leave it like with one hit. Leave it with one hit. Alright, leave it.
Steven. Steven.
Dude, end it, please.